Welcome guys. Welcome to my video channel. So usually I seldom spend time solving this type of question because I think it's very easy. Maybe too easy, right? But I think this one is still interesting, so we spend a little bit time to solve it. Okay, so I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. So the idea is that you have strange expression AA899192 plus 90 squared, and you hope to simplify it. Okay, so obviously the technique should, let's say this guy should call it n, right? And this guy is n minus 1, n minus 2, n plus 1, n plus 2, right? So the idea should be n plus n minus 2, n minus 1, n plus 1, n plus 2, plus n squared. And we hope to do simplification. Okay, and this is very easy. So let's say you do this, you get this, right? And then combine these two plus n squared. So this is the n to the 4th minus 5n squared plus 4 plus n squared. So it's n to the 4th minus 4n squared plus 4. So if you has idea, obviously this is n squared minus 2 squared, right? So you get n squared minus 2. Okay, so n answer will be 90 squared minus 2 because n is 90. So answer will be A098. Okay, yeah, very stupid question. Thank you.